Frans klaar ook met siroop.
It's actually really good. I want to try that too.
What?
Whatever he's making.
Campari is it's a bit bitter. Well, you will taste it.
25%. We're getting lit today.
Who's open here?
It's so bitter.
It's okay.
I'm already tipsy. I can already feel it. I don't think I can finish this. It's way too strong.
So is that red wine? What kind of red wine is that?
Pinot Nero.
Pinot Noir. I never heard of that.
Yeah, never. Yeah, we could try.
What do you think?
Oh, it's nice. It's like fruit juice.
Very light.
It's very light.
Yes.
Is
You
it?
can drink it also slightly chill. It's delicious with the fish.
Yeah.
Ja, ik snij net gewoon blok aan, dan kan ik zelf in. Ja, dat is lekker. Ik heb hier lap van oliemossentijn en gewoon zeezout.
Wat voor vak is dit?
Oh, it looks really nice. Oh my god.
Is it good? It's really good. It's sweet.
What could this be? We're using this to grill the meat.
Asparagus soup. That was pretty good.
You want a spoon? Power juice.
Should I
Power
guess it?
juice. Feels better for you. It's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah, let's try. Thank you.
A short.
Oh. Spices. Oh, empanadas. What do I do?
What kind is this?
Let's try that cheese. Nope.
Oh, it's so toast. Yeah, American. Smells nicely.
Cheese dog.
Cheese dog.
Cheese dog, yes.
Oh no.
It's a hot dog made of cheese. 100% cheese.
It's my favorite.
You want to give it a shot?
Yeah, of course.
Do you want to taste? Garlic mustard. With some onions. Fried
Delicious.
onions. Yeah.
Don't go.
Absolutely.
Cheese dog. It's a hot dog made of cheese.
With honey mustard and pickles. Yes, please. Thank you. Oh, the pistachio is so good.
And we have to open it. It is totally like all dirty and shit on turkey. It's got really loud actually. Keep walking. Look at the shells in the sand. I can breathe really well here.